Assalamu alaikum students. I hope that you all will be alright. Let's start with the name of Allah, who is the perfect and giver of peace. Today we will discuss the adverb. The definition of adverb is adverb is a word which adds to the meaning of a verb, adjective or another adverb. एडवर्ब जो है वो एक ऐसा वर्ड है जो कि मीनिंग्स शामिल करता है एक वर्ब में, एडजेक्टिव में या फिर एक और एडवर्ब में. दैट एड्स अ मीनिंग इन द वर्ब, एडजेक्टिव एंड अदर एडवर्ब. फॉर एग्जांपल, आई कैन सॉल्व दिस सम. मैं ये क्वेश्चन हल कर सकता हूँ. इजीली. इजीली डिफाइंस सॉल्व. वी ऑलवेज स्पीक द ट्रुथ. वी ऑलवेज स्पीक द ट्रुथ. ट्रुथ always defines the truth. Now we will discuss kinds of adverb. The first kind of adverb is adverb of time. The adverb which is used for describing time. ऐसा adverb जो कि time को describe करते हैं. It answers the question when. ये क्वेश्चन व्हेन का आंसर होते हैं. आई हैव, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई हैव लर्नड दिस बिफोर. मैं इसे पहले भी पढ़ चुका हूँ. सो बिफोर, हियर इज बिफोर answers the question when, and before is an adverb of time. The second example is I hurt my knee yesterday. मैंने मेरे घुटने को चोट लगी है. But when? Yesterday. The next kind of adverb is adverb of place. The definition of adverb of place is the adverb which is used for describing the place of work. ऐसे adverb जो के place of work को describe करें. which shows where. ये where को जाहिर करती हैं. For example, go, there, here. There is an adverb. The second example is my school is near to my school. Near is an adverb of place. Now we will discuss our third kind, adverb of manner. The adverb which is used to describe the manner of an occurrence. जो ऐसे adverb जो manner को जाहिर करते हैं adverb of manner कहलाते हैं. which shows how or in what manner. ये manner को show करते हैं और how की सूरत में ये answer देते हैं. The child slept. बच्चा सोया. but how, लेकिन वो कैसे सोया? soundly. The soldiers fought. soldiers जो है सिपाही जो लड़े. but how? bravely. So bravely defines fought. Now we will discuss adverb of frequency. The definition of adverb of frequency is the adverb which describes the number is called adverb of frequency. ऐसा वर्ड जो नंबर को डिस्क्राइब करे adverb of frequency कहलाते हैं. which shows how often. how often कितना शो करते हैं. he seldom comes here. वो कभी कभार यहाँ आते हैं. here seldom is an adverb of frequency. I have told you twice. मैंने तुम्हें 2 दफ़ा बताया था. here twice is an adverb of frequency. Now we will discuss adverb of affirmation and negation. The adverb which affirms or negates. ऐसे words जो कि या तो वो चूज़ कर ले या फिर उसे नहीं कर दें. adverb of affirmation और negation कहलाते हैं. surely you are mistaken. यकीनन तुम गलती पर हो. second example is I do not know him. मैं उसे नहीं जानता. Students, now we will discuss rules to make adverbs. कि हम adverbs जो है वो adjective से या noun से कैसे बना सकते हैं. The first rule is some words are basically adverbs. कुछ ऐसे words हैं जो खुद ही adverb हैं. For example, fast, ago, once, very, now, etc. The second rule is most of the adverbs are formed by adding ly to an adjective. कुछ words जो कि adjective हों उनके last पे ly लगा के हम adverb बना सकते हैं. For example, soft, softly, new, newly, honest, honestly. The third rule is if an adjective ends in y proceeding by a consonant. अगर कोई word y पे ख़त्म हो रहा है लेकिन y से पहले consonant मौजूद हो then replace y. तब हम y को replace कर देंगे with ily के साथ. For example, easy, easily. Easy ends with y in adverb we will change it in we will change y into ILY. Marry, merrily. The fourth rule is if an adjective ends in IC, then ALLY is added after adjective. For example, automatic, automatically, basic, basically. The next rule is some adverbs are made by adding a prefix before a noun. कुछ adverb noun से पहले prefix लगाने से बनाए जाते हैं और adjective या adjective के आखिर में. For example, loud, allowed, long, along, for, before, side, aside.